Okay, pull the cable.
See, the cable can come out.
Okay.
Then I'm lock this side.
So lock this so it won't swing back.
Okay.
Pull the cable.
It's not gonna come out. So the easiest way.
So take out the
track,
track
top
on the
track.
top. So
So
we're
push-
gonna remove the centerpiece.
Put the glass up,
Put the glass up.
and then take this thing out from the bottom. Okay.
And then remove the cable from the bottom. Okay.
Okay. The top.
Push the
Yes, and
to
put
the
it up
Okay.
and come out. Okay.
Connect back the end. Pull it back in the slot, and then okay.
Tension. Feel the tension. Okay. Loose this one.
Loosen the cable
And slice in.
and then pull it to the end
And push it in.
and push it in.
Make sure you have tension. That means it's good. The regular is good. It's in. Loose that chain. Pull it hard and slide into the hole. That's it. Okay, next
Snap
step.
the cable back. So connect the heat.
Make sure.
Just plug in the heat connector.
Then make sure. Good. Cables later. Adjustment. Speaking right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So water is coming out here. When water gets in on the center glass, it goes out on the track. So when you press the glass, make sure to be gentle and not press too much.